So these are our exhaust brakes, our models, different models. This is the BM 4500, the BM 4400, the BM 4350, and the BM 4300. And they're just different sizes. This is a 5-inch, 4-inch, 3.5, and 3. And you'll see here they're very simple. You install them in your exhaust, preferably on the downpipe or right after. And they create a very powerful exhaust brake experience. Some of the features, I guess, of the brake itself is, just the waterproofing, the heat proofing, the ventilation for the heat, so it just lasts forever. We've been doing bench tests on these things, and we're reaching like 250,000 cycles, and the brake is still functioning great and still, operating like it's new.